Hey, it's nice to meet ya. Are you trying to get put onto a feature? I'm not playing favorites. Please don't call me teacher. You can call me sensei or maybe onicha.
Okay, yay gang. So right now we're about to get into my closet and try on and figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not. Alright, so let's go. So today, yes, it is time. So this is just a leather cami. It's definitely going into the donation pile because what is this? I didn't even buy this. Yeah, I don't know either. Oh, okay. This is like my favorite dress, and obviously it looks like I can't fit it no more. Too sad. I have to let it go. Yeah, you do. Let it go. I know. Alright, next one. This is I believe it's like a denim dress with pockets, but it definitely isn't my taste or the look I'm going for right now, so it has to go. This is a cute dress. I really don't wear it as much, but now that I'm getting into real estate, this is the perfect sell me a house dress, right? Yeah. Yes. Go ahead, thick thighs. Go ahead, thick thighs. Okay. We look like we making money out here. Yeah. We're gonna keep that dress. We're gonna keep it. Yeah. Girl, what are you doing? That dress has not fit you since the 5th grade. Why do you even have that dress? Give it to Shariah. Give it to Shariah. No. Yay! Oh, it's so cute hair. Oh yeah, guys, so I'm doing these voiceovers because during this video you're gonna see my boyfriend and my other sister come in and they were just chatting to me the whole time, so I had to do voiceovers instead. Oh my goodness, are you okay? No? Oh, I know, but take it off. Now you're stuck. What are you doing? Yes, give that dress to Shariah. You couldn't even make that dress into a halter top. This civil case with Black America in a minute. Ooh. Yeah, so this segment of the video is like all the clothes in my closet that I'm trying to try on and either keep or get rid of. So, and my sister just scored my pink cashmere sweater because I can't fit it and I never could. I had found that from my school's donation and that was a steal, but I cannot fit it, so now she has one. Ooh, we going clubbing. Go clubbing. Go clubbing. Ooh, them glutes. Look at them glutes. Thick thighs. Thick thighs. Thick thighs, girl. Thick thighs. It's not gonna fit. Thick thighs. Thick thighs. Thick thighs. Take it off. Take it off. Now. Something that never steers me wrong or make me feel like I'm fat. Perfect. This shirt, I think I'm gonna keep it. It's like a weird fit though. I got it from Longweed, but it's like a really weird fit. This is perfect to tie around my waist when I'm trying to do my cowgirl vibes. Look at me trying to get confirmation of if I should keep it or not, because I'm definitely not gonna wear it the right way. Ooh, we about to sell some houses. Girl, I could have told you that couldn't fit you. Nope. Just because it's pretty don't mean you can wear it. If it's the aesthetic, but you can't fit it. You can't even get the thighs in. Donation. Aw, something that never steers me wrong, too. Hoodies. I love hoodies. Hoodies is like my life. Oh my god. I have so many hoodies that I just brought. Nope. That one I had since I was like 12. So, Shariah's getting this because she had her eyes on it for such a long time. That is a silk shirt that cannot fit me. Look at the hand. So this is going into donation. What the hell was those? Fireflies? Oh no. Sis, you're gonna rip the ripped jeans in a minute. Oh god, look at the toes. Okay. No. Donation. This, I feel like, should just be a donation just because I had it too long. Nice winter coat we're gonna keep because in New York it's freaking cold. My other winter coat we're gonna keep because I like to be bright like a diamond. Oh, bring it around town. Okay. We got one pair of jeans that I can keep. Yay! I endorse this message. Ooh, I boom shot that. Keep. Yo, as you can see, I wear my shorts high. Can you take off that little schoolgirl thing that you're trying to pass off as yours? Again, no denim skirts for you, ma'am. Yeah, look, this is what you need. Spandex. Anything that stretch. No, just not that. No. Donation. And that thick thighs is donation too. Look, you saw that again? That thing's floating around. You see it? Donation. Oh, those are cute too, and I can't fit them no more. I had like ripped thighs. So whoever's getting this at the donation center is gonna be happy. Ew, why did I just put that on like that? I look dirty. Yes, keep. Donate. Donation. Ooh, now I'm keeping those. Those are my blinged out this life. Another blazer that I'm keeping because real estate. That's a cute cover up. It's crochet. I like it. Keep it. Yeah. I look like a Sims doll. I think I donated that. I think I donated donated this to. What the? You cannot fit that silk shirt at all. Please put it back. Exactly. I love that shirt. That's when I started feeling myself and actually dressing like the person I wanted to. But then I got too big for my britches, and now that belongs to Shariah. Okay, corporate America, IT. Show them that you're certified. Show them that you're business savvy. Yeah, I kept that. That's a cute shirt. Hey. Wine it. Go Jamaica. Oh my God, what are you doing to me? Sexual harassment? Oh my God. Hey, we're keeping that because it's just cute. It's nice to have dressy shirts. Hey. See how I slightly dance? It's because the music moves within me. Nope. I could barely figure this out. Keep. No. It looks like somebody threw up on you. No. Oh, hell no. You saw that? Oh, hell no. Donate. Your sleeves are too short. You tall motherfucker. Ooh, I can't curse. You tall person. Again, tie around my waist, cause oh my God, what was that? Donate. I can get that to Shariah. Does this even belong to me? Why is this in my drawer? Alright, take that off. Yeah. Nope. Alright. Okay. You can keep it. Alright guys, that is it. And we finally finished this part. So like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
What? Curly hair on my head and I'm flexing it. I am the best with it. You couldn't tell me my worth if I knew you were trying to invest in it. What? Been through the storm and I weathered it. Cash in the name and you put some respect on it. I know you mad cause I'm fly like a dragon and fire like Nasu when I put the breath on it.